Jim, while we know your thoughts on Bitcoin, I just want to draw a parallel for the benefit of our viewers. Bitcoin was supposed to be an alternate to currency. It was supposed to be a better store of future purchasing power at a time when central bankers are just printing money. That was the promise and entire promise of Bitcoin. But right now, Bitcoin and gold, they both are rallying together. So Bitcoin is risk, gold is safety. Why is that?
Well, I would be very happy if the world had alternatives to government money. But the problem is governments have the guns, and the governments are unlikely to say, okay, this is money, but if you want to use that money, you can use that money. We don't care. That's not the way governments think, certainly not in the United States. I don't think governments will ever give up their monopoly on money. I wish they would, but I don't think they will. So I do not see much of a future for cryptocurrencies as money.
Jim, gold specifically is always supposed to be a hedge against inflation or a bet when the world is looking uncertain. But if I look at the current setup, macro setup, US has averted a recession. So why do you think gold is rallying when recessionary fears are over?
Well, gold is rallying because you and I are not the only people who know that there is inflation and that governments continue to print money. We have to use something to save ourselves. Gold always and silver always have been protectors. And now, of course, many people are using Bitcoin. I am not using Bitcoin. I use gold, I use silver. If I were buying something today, I would buy silver. It's much, much cheaper than gold. But I am not buying Bitcoin.